Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Let's do a quick video on how to change your Netflix password. So without wasting any time, let's start. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Netflix application on your mobile device. So once you open your Netflix application, make sure you're signed into your account. The next thing you need to do is to tap on My Profiles. So once you tap on My Profile, from here you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you need to tap on Accounts. So once you tap on Account, it will bring you here. And here you will find Change Password. So you need to tap on Change Password. So the first thing you need to do is to enter the current password. Then you need to enter the new password. It should be at least 6 characters. Then you need to re-enter the same new password here. And if you want to sign out from all the devices, check this option. If not, then you need to just remove the check from here, and then you need to tap on Save. So your new password will be saved. So this is how you can change the password of your Netflix account. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.